Namaste to all the dear students. Chapter number 18, Parameter and Area. This is part 5 in which I have explained you the area of parallelogram and its questions solutions. So please students learn it carefully. Hello students. Today chapter 18, Parameter and Area, we are going to start our new topic, that is parallelogram. Have you heard this word before? Parallelogram. Students, the meaning of parallelogram, this is one type of quadrilateral. Okay, the meaning of quadrilateral means, qua means four. This qua word means four-sided. Qua means four-sided. And lateral. Lateral means on the plane surface. On the plane surface. So, here I am explaining you what is parallelogram. It is one type of quadrilateral. Quadrilateral meaning is, it is a four-sided figure which can be drawn on the plane surface. So students, today we are going to study about parallelogram's area. So for that, I will explain you by the figure. This is the parallelogram which I am drawing here now. Okay. So this shape we call a parallelogram, which has four sides and it is a closed figure. So let me give the name A, B, C, D. This is parallelogram. Now, here suppose I am drawing a perpendicular line. Right, this is the perpendicular line and some name here suppose F. So students, this will become a right angle triangle, you see. So now let us replace this quadrilateral. Now if we cut this DAF right angle triangle from this parallelogram, then what happened? Then see, we are left with this much part after cutting this DAF. So how much part is left? Let us draw it. So students, this is the part we left with, whose name also I will write here, F, B, C, D. This is the part left with us आफ्टर कटिंग DAF. हमने DAF जो कि राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल है वो काट लिया है पैरेललोग्राम में से. नाउ वो सेम पार्ट हम यहाँ पे फिक्स करने वाले हैं. अभी ये मैं यहाँ पे फिक्स कर रही हूँ. ओके, सो कौन सा शेप बन रहा है? यू कैन सी नाउ इट बिकम अ रेक्टेंगल शेप. ओके, सो दिस पार्ट इज एक्चुअली DF part which we are putting here, and this is DA part. So let me write here CF. This is suppose F, right, instead of CF. So now students, this is a rectangle in which this is the height. F should not be 2. So I will put here A, right? So you see now this here I will not give this name but this name. So whatever left with us, no, here DAF I will put DAF and this is B and C. Okay, so now students, you check here, this AB is the base here. This whole is the base and this is the height here, right? So our formula for area of parallelogram, that is, I am writing here area of parallelogram. Parallelogram word comes from if there are two parallel sides. You can see this parallel to this. The meaning of parallel is the distance between these two sides remain constant. Okay, constant means वो change नहीं होगा और ये दोनों साइड के बीच भी जो डिस्टेंस है वो सेम रहेगा. सो that word comes from parallelogram is equal to base multiply by height. So this is our formula to find area of parallelogram. parallelogram. So this you have to remember, students. This is area of parallelogram formula, which is base into height. This comes from, this is the base and this is the height from our right angle triangle. I have explained to this. Now students, let us start our new exercise, exercise 18C. So you can see our chapter perimeter and area. I will start parallelogram, in which the first question is find the area of parallelogram. So here we are given the box in which base and height of 5 questions. I will take any 2 for you students. Rest of the questions you have to solve by yourself. So I am taking second number. I am giving heading first. Find area of parallelogram. Right? Now the formula is base into height. And the second, here we are given base B as 12 mm and height as 8.7 centimeters. Okay. Now students, you can see base and height units are different. So I have to make the unit same. So let me convert this mm into cm by dividing it by 10. So 1.2 centimeter. Now converted both of them in the same units. So I will apply my formula. Area is equal to B into H. Base into height, you can write short way like this. So base is 1.2 and height is 8.7. Now this type of point numbers, how do you solve? You know that this is 12 by 10 and this is 87 by 10. So I will first multiply 87 and 12, you see. So 1 7 is 1 8 is. So like this, I get 1044 as my answer. But there are 2 decimal places, so I put dot here. So this is 1.2, 8.7, and area, always the unit is centimeter square. As you know, both of them I have converted in centimeter. So my answer also comes in centimeter. So now students, do you understand? Whenever we are given different units of our 2 quantities, base and height, you have to convert first in any of the one. Either you convert both of them in millimeter or in centimeter. Anyway, you can convert them. Now taking question number 4th. Okay. So 4th question, I can give base here as 1 meter and 5 centimeters. So that is 1 meter is 100 centimeter and 5. So 105 centimeter it is. And height is 45 centimeters. Right? Like this. So students, you have to take area is equal to base multiply height formula. 105 multiply 45. So now I think you all can multiply this and write your answer here in centimeter square. So I will not solve this. You all have to solve by yourself. Only you have to multiply and write it down. Now taking number 5 also, which is somewhat different. So the base value is given as 4.2 dm. Decimeter. Dm means decimeter. And the height is given as 25 centimeters. So first of all students, we have to convert this decimeter into centimeter for our both the units in same. Now as we know that 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeters. So 4.2 into 10 we get 42 centimeters. So now students, again applying our formula, area is equal to base into height. So that is base 42 and this is 25. So now you again can do this multiplication by yourself and write your answer as centimeter square. These are very basic type of multiplication, so you can get your answer. Now first and third, which I have not solved for you, you all have to solve it by yourself. Now second question, find the missing measures. Here figures are given. In the first figure, area of parallelogram ABCD is given and DE. DE is the height, you see in the figure. So height is given. You have to find the base. Okay. So second question we take here, that is find the missing measures, in which I will take the first one. Okay. So first one, you are given two things, that area is given to us as 48 centimeters square, and also the height is given as 6 centimeters, right? So now how much is the base? We have to calculate. So now students, you can see area is equal to base into height. So base equal to area divided by height. Area divided by height, that is our base formula. So here area 48 and height 6. So 6 8s are 48. Therefore base is equal to 8 centimeter. This is our answer of this question. Okay. So this is how you can solve. Base is equal to 8 centimeters. So second also you can solve by like that only. Area PQRS 252 given to you, and PQ, you check PQ is the base given. So again RT, you want to find the height. Height also same way. Height is equal to area divided by base. Right? So what you have to do? 252 divided by 9. So the second answer you will get by dividing. So students, the second method also you can understand how to find base and height. Now let us take the next question, question number 3. In this question, you are given the side of a rhombus is 7.2 centimeter and its altitude is 5 centimeter. Then find its area. Now students, rhombus is one type of parallelogram. So in rhombus, all the sides are equal. So here we can use the same formula of area of parallelogram. So I write here the side of rhombus, that is the base. Okay, I write it as base 7.2 centimeter. And the height, altitude word is nothing but the height given as 5 centimeters. So using our area of parallelogram formula, so area of rhombus is equal to base into height. Remember always that rhombus is one type of parallelogram, and so the area formula is same for both of them. So now 7.2 multiply 5. So I get 36 centimeter square. Okay. So now students, again let me check. This is okay, 36 centimeters square, correct only. Now question number 4. In question number 4, the adjacent sides of parallelogram are 36 and 27 centimeter in length. So first let me draw one parallelogram, and so I can explain you which are the adjacent sides. So this is the parallelogram I have drawn. Now here adjacent sides means this is the side, and next to it which side, they are called adjacent sides. Okay, so here 36 and 27, two adjacent sides are given. This is 36 and this is 27 centimeters. If the perpendicular distance between the shorter sides is 12 centimeter, it means these are the two shorter sides and this is the perpendicular distance, and that is of 12 centimeters. Find the distance between the longer sides. So we want to find this perpendicular distance, means the height between the two longer sides. This is also 36 and this is also 27. So now in parallelogram always the opposite sides are equal and we can draw two altitudes, one with the longer sides and one with the shorter sides. So first of all students, we write our area formula. Area is equal to base multiply height. So if you see this parallelogram in this way, so this is the base, 27 side is the base and this 12 centimeter is the height. So I write 27 into 12, right? So let us find the answer of it. So that is 324 centimeters square. So this is the area we found. Now the question is, you have to find this distance between the two longer sides. For that, this is the area only. So now area is equal to base into height. Again applying the same formula. But now area we already know of this parallelogram. This is 324. And base is now different. I am taking 36 as base and height we want to calculate. For that, height is equal to area divided by the base. Okay, so now dividing this by 6. So 6 6 are, and this is 6 9s are. So we get our altitude, that is 9 centimeter between two longer sides. The longer sides are 36 centimeter and 36 centimeters. So this is our answer. This is our area of rhombus, question number 3. And this is our distance between two longer sides. They are of 36 centimeters. We found as 9 centimeters. Now let us take next question 6. Students, we are not going to do number 5 question. So I will take question number 6. In this question, the area of rhombus is given. Area of rhombus is given to us as 42 meters square. Okay. And perimeter is given as 24 meter. Students, and we want to find here altitude. Okay, so let me draw here one rhombus for you. So you get the idea how it look. So this is the rhombus, students, in which all the four sides are equal in measure. So here, if you want to find the perimeter of rhombus, if all the sides are equal, what it could be? It could be same as square, right? Square का perimeter का formula 4L है. Sum of all sides, L plus L plus L plus L, 4L. So same we will use here for the rhombus. So I put here 4L is equal to 24 meter. Therefore L, the length will become 24 divided by 4, 6 meter. Okay, this is the length I found. Now area of rhombus is there, so we have to find the, this is the length, means this is the base I get. This is the base. Now I can find the altitude. Altitude means height. Height is equal to area divided by base. So area is 42 meters square and the base is 6 meters square. This is nothing but the base here, right? So now 6 7s are 42. So height is equal to 7 meters. So here we found our question 6 answer, that is height 7 meters. So students, now you understand what is the rhombus, how its perimeter and how we can find the height. Now I will take question number 8. 7 also we will not take. So I will take question number 8 now. In a parallelogram ABCD. So we will draw here parallelogram first of all for your understanding. This is parallelogram shape and we will give the name as well the size. Here you see this is ABCD. So ABCD, 4 sides are there. AD is given 10 centimeters. So this is AD 10 centimeters. And CF. Let us draw here CF, which is the perpendicular. You can extend this side, student. So here CF is 8 centimeter. BG is 12 centimeter. Okay. So now question 8 figure already given to you. Upside you can see this is BG. So here is G, which is also perpendicular, whose size is 12 centimeters given. So find AB. What you want? AB side you have to calculate here. So now students, first of all you have to see here that we have this side AD, okay, which is the base. So AD is same as BC. I am writing AD is equal to BC is equal to 10 centimeters. Both the opposite sides are equal. So, and on it, this 12 centimeter is the altitude. So, we can find area as AD multiply, that is the base, and this is the height BG, which is the height. So, 10 into 12, which is 120 centimeters square. Now what you want to calculate? Side AB. This is the side AB which you want to find out. For that, on side AB, this is the CF altitude. So you want to find the base. For that, base is equal to area divided by height. So area we have already found here, which is 120. You see, this is the same parallelogram whose area we have found. But now the height here, so height is given CF, that is 8. So 8, here we write 4 2s and 4 3s. So 15. So we get our base, or you can write AB side is equal to 15 centimeters. So students, this way you can find your question number 8 answer, that is 15 centimeter AB. See, again I am explaining on this parallelogram, these are the two sides AD and BC, on which there is BG, one height. So using 8, I have found first area. Then we want to find this side AB, and on it there is a height is given 8 centimeter. So using that height 8 and the area we found, we can find the base AB, and that is the answer 15 centimeters. Now solving next question, question number 9, which is our last question of this exercise 18C. So now question number 9, let us read. Here in this question, the ratio of two adjacent sides of a parallelogram is 2:3. So adjacent sides means I already explained that जो पास की sides है उसको हम adjacent sides बताएंगे. जैसे कि ये एक parallelogram है. So if this is 3x, this is 2x. The ratios we are given, no? So like that you can write. So here students, see, I give the name A, B, C, D, right? So this is the longer side and this is the shorter side. Okay, so I have taken accordingly the 2:3, no? So you have to use at 2x and 3x sides. Okay, and the also perimeter is given to you 50 centimeters. So as I told you, the opposite sides are equal. If this is 3x, this is also 3x, this is 2x, it is also 2x. And perimeter means sum of all four sides. Means 3x plus 2x plus 3x, 2x plus 3x, right? Any order you can add them. So 3 plus 3, 6 plus 4, 10x. Here we get perimeter 10x, and value of perimeter is already there in your question as 50. So x value we can find by dividing 50 by 10. So x is equal to 5 centimeters we found. So now by substituting this x value, I can find all the four sides of parallelogram. So I am writing AB is equal to 3 multiply 5, 15. BC is equal to 2 multiply 5, 10 centimeters. So the opposites are also equal. So if this is 15, this is also 15, this is 10, this is also 10. So now students, next is find its area if corresponding to larger side altitude is 10 centimeter. Larger means this 3x, 15 centimeter side. If the altitude on it is given to us and its measure is 10 centimeters here, right? So we can find area here, find the area. So I am writing here area is equal to base into height. So which is the base here? This is the base AB, and AB's value is 15 and the height which is given to us 10 centimeters. So the area we found as 150 centimeter square. This is the area of parallelogram ABCD. So if figure not given in the question, you can draw like this parallelogram and according sides you can write it right there for your necessary values to find out. So here we have completed exercise 18C. Students, you have to understand.